Who could deny the importance of cybersecurity in our increasingly digital world? Imagine a world where data breaches and cyber threats are as common as catching a cold. Frightening, isn't it? In fact, it's not a far-fetched scenario, considering the rapid digitization we're experiencing. The need for robust cybersecurity measures has never been more paramount. Over the years, cybersecurity has evolved from a niche IT concern into a global priority. What began as basic password protections and firewalls has now expanded into a multifaceted discipline that includes everything from advanced threat intelligence to sophisticated data encryption. In the early 2000s, cybersecurity was a nascent field, often overlooked by many businesses. Fast forward to today, and it's a different story. Cybersecurity has grown into an industry worth over $100 billion globally. It's not just about protecting data anymore. It's about safeguarding our digital lives. The importance of cybersecurity cannot be overstated. It's the guardian at the gate, the line of defense that stands between our sensitive information and the prying eyes of cyber criminals. In the face of relentless cyber threats, we need cybersecurity to protect our privacy, maintain our digital freedom, and ensure the integrity of our online interactions. But cybersecurity isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It requires a diverse range of skills and expertise. That's where cybersecurity certifications come into play. These certifications validate a professional's knowledge and skills in various aspects of cybersecurity. Whether it's Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CSSP, Certified Ethical Hacker, CH, or CompTIA Security Plus, each certification serves a unique purpose and caters to different career paths within the cybersecurity realm. A Certified Information Systems Security Professional, for instance, is an expert in designing and managing an organization's security posture. A Certified Ethical Hacker, on the other hand, is a professional who understands how to look for weaknesses and vulnerabilities in target systems using the same knowledge and tools as a malicious hacker, but in a lawful and legitimate manner. And let's not forget the CompTIA Security Plus certification. It's a globally recognized credential that validates baseline skills necessary to perform core security functions and pursue an IT security career. These certifications are not just badges of honor, they're proof of a professional's competence and commitment to keeping the digital world safe. They're the keys that can unlock a world of opportunities in the thriving field of cybersecurity. So, the next time you log on to your computer, remember the invisible guardians of the cyber realm. Appreciate the vital role cybersecurity plays in our digital lives. And if you're considering a career in this field, remember that the right certification can set you on the path to success. In a world where cyber threats are an everyday reality, cybersecurity isn't just important, it's essential. And with the right skills and certifications, you can be part of the solution.